Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby V. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made this pencil skirt. I'm going to show you guys how those patterns on the pencil skirt were cut out and how they were fixed on the skirt. Guys, if this is the first time of checking out my channel, you are welcome. Welcome to the DIY family. Please do me a favor, subscribe if you've not done that already. And also don't forget to turn on the notifications so you get notified once another beautiful DIY comes up on this channel. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Without much rambling, let's jump straight to the video, shall we? So guys, to create this design you need a pencil skirt pattern. I have two videos dedicated to that. One is going to show you how to draft a pencil skirt pattern, and the other one is going to show you how to cut and stitch a pencil skirt. These videos are very detailed. I'm going to leave the links to these videos in the description box below, or you can just click on this card up here to watch those videos. So as you can see, I have a line right here. So from this line, I'm going to fold the skirts. Alright, so this part is going to go inside. So to cut out my long strands for this design, I'm going to measure my skirt and measure the length that I would like to cut out in order not to waste material. So I'm going to measure, and what I have here is 21 inches. So I'm going to be using two fabrics to create the design you saw. You can actually use one fabric if you want. So I'm going to be using two fabrics because I want the color to pop. So the length for this small sample fabric is 21 inches, just like we measured before. So I'm going to fold this into two. Now it depends on how wide you want your strap to be. So for this video, I'm going to be making it 3 inches. Alright, you can do 2.5, 2 inches if you want to have small straps, or you can even do 4 inches if you want to have larger straps. It all depends on you and what you want to achieve. And now, because I want to be sure that my lines are straight, I'm going to use a ruler to emphasize the marks. So I'm going to draw a straight line and then I'll cut. So now that I have this, I'm going to iron this flat with my iron because I need the edge to be sharp. So guys, I've gone ahead to iron this flat. As you can see, the edge is looking very flat. Alright, so you're going to use this piece to cut out as many as you'd like, but I suggest you cut out like 4 pieces first, 4 or 5 pieces first before you continue, because at some point you're going to extend the strap. Alright, you're going to see that later on in the video. So I'm going to take this to my overlocker and overlock this so that my fabric won't frill. From this line, I'm going to fold my skirts. Before I start laying my straps on the skirt, I need to fold this in. So I'm going to use a hemming gum to do this. So while my iron is heating up, I'm going to place this at the hemline. Like, I want this to be very close to the hemline. I'm going to lay a very long strand. Now, if I fold this at this point, you're going to see that this will not cover up. So I'm going to double it. I'm going to make it 2 layers so that it will cover up. So to gum both of them, I'm going to place a damp cloth over the fabric, and with my very hot iron, I'm going to iron it. This is going to help it melt. Once it's melted, both fabrics will come together. The damp fabric should be a cotton fabric. If you use a nylon fabric or a silk fabric, it won't work well. So you need a cotton fabric. Basically, I'm using an old hanky. I've had this hanky for a long time and it works very well. So to start laying our straps, is that you place it this way or you place it this way. It depends on your preference. So I'm just going to use any one that I feel like I should use. So as you can see, I'm trying to see if I can have a little bit excess on both sides. Don't worry, when I'm done with the entire placing, I'm going to take care of the sides. I'm going to use my pins to hold it down. I'm going to take it to my machine and then I'll run a straight stitch very close to the edge of the strap. Now that that is done, I'm going to take out my pins. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to put the next layer on top. So it all depends on the distance you want to have between your two straps. For this one, I'm using 1/8, all right? I also have a detailed video on how to read a tape measure. I'm going to leave that in the description box below. It will do you well to know how to read your tape measure. So if you want to use 1.5 inches or 2 inches or 1 inch, whichever one you deem fit, just go ahead and do that. So like I did before, I'm going to use my pins to hold it in place. I'll take it to my machine and run a straight stitch to hold it down. So I'm going to get the third strap and place it on top of this one. So as you can see guys, this is beginning to shorten somewhere here, so I'm going to make my straps longer. I'm going to get very long straps because I don't need it to short at any corner. But like I said before, you shouldn't worry because I'm going to take care of the sides once I'm done placing my straps. So before I get up to the waist, I'm going to insert my dart. That is very important. Like I said before, I have an entire video on how you can cut and stitch a pencil skirt, so I'm going to leave it in the description box below, or you can just click on the card up here and watch that video. At this point, I've already fixed my dart, so I'm going to continue till I get to the waist. So guys, so far so good. This is what we have. Before I trim off the sides, I'm going to go to my machine and run a straight stitch on this side and on this side. I'm going to turn this to the back and trim off the excess that we have. So guys, this is what our skirt pattern looks like. So I'm going to overlock the sides. Then I'll show you how to fix the band and then, join it to the back of the skirts. So guys, the band is going to be like 2 inches wide. This is what we have. I'm going to fix it to the skirt proper, and then that is all about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions or any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe to get notified once the next helpful video is out, and also feel free to share this video with any of your friends if you think this will be helpful. All right guys, take care of yourself. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.